Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology, under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in your statistical method, as per session of your this subject, the topic we shall discuss today is statistical decisions and hypothesis decision rules. Please note down statistical decisions and hypothesis decision rules. Students, one thing I would like to share with you because it seems relevant here to discuss, that whenever you start any research, even minor research like dissertation or major research like PhD, MPhil, then the selection of hypothesis is supposed as one of the important factors, because the hypothesis or the variable selected at that circumstance in the beginning of the research is the key part of any research work. So, selection of hypothesis or selection of variable in any study is important. Stop this fact here. Here your topic is statistical decisions, means the decisions that are made on the basis of data. A statistical decision that are made on the basis of the analysis of the data, the decisions which are made on the basis of the observation, study and calculation of the data, and hypothesis decision rules, as I stated in the beginning of this lecture, that selection of hypothesis is important, means what you actually want to find and what is the basis of selection of that hypothesis, means is there any rule, is there any rule to select a hypothesis. These are some key factors if there is a pond, then generally in a pond you can find water, but there may not be a hypothesis in ordinary sense that suppose that pond is filled with fire. If you suppose like this, then what is the basis of selection such hypothesis, taking fire as the variable? It is beyond to the imagination, but maybe a factor that would have been guiding the observer to take like decision that. So please come on the point. I would like to share with you some materials. Here is introduction to hypothesis. Terms and concept are what you can see here from point A, B, C, D, E. In general, we do not know the true value of population parameters. They must be estimated. Generally, we don't know the total population, the total, you can say, frequency of the data. So we just estimate. However, we do have hypotheses about what the true values are. The major purpose of hypothesis testing is to choose between two competing hypotheses about the value of population parameter. For example, one hypothesis might claim that the wages of men and women are equal, while the alternative might claim that men make more than women. These are the two different hypotheses. In one hypothesis, you are proclaiming that men and women must be given equal wages. In another hypothesis, you are saying that since men may do more work, so they should be given more wages than the women. The hypothesis actually to be tested is usually given the symbol H naught, means null hypothesis, and is commonly referred to as null hypothesis. As explained more below, the null hypothesis is assumed to be true unless there is strong evidence of contrary, similar to how a person is assumed to be innocent until proven guilty. How a person is assumed to be innocent until proven guilty. The other hypothesis, which is assumed to be true when the null hypothesis is false, is referred as a alternative hypothesis and is often symbolized as HA or H1. Both the null and alternative hypothesis should be stated before any statistical test of significance is conducted. In other words, you technically are not supposed to do the data analysis first and then decide on the hypothesis afterward. So students, here are some raw materials for your data, and you can see the E, F, G and H, that in which case alternative hypothesis and in which case you can take null hypothesis. And the decision problem, when you are going to accept the result obtained by null hypothesis or when you are going to start or to choose alternative hypothesis. Students, I hope that you have understand this lecture. You have got me what I was telling, I was trying to say you. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there.